आज हम बी फार्मा के पुराने पेपर और उसके आंसर को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन द टर्म ऑटोक्राइन एंड जक्साक्राइन सिग्नलिंग। ऑटोक्राइन सिग्नलिंग इज ए प्रोसेस वेयर ए सेल secretes a chemical messenger that bind to receptors on the same cell. This process allows cell to communicate internally without external input. Juxtacrine signaling is a type of cell communication where cells that are touching each other pass signals between them. It's also known as contact dependent signaling. Question number 2. Name the gland which secrete wax in the ear. The ceruminous glands are the gland in the ear that outside earwax, also known as cerumen. These glands are modified sweat glands located in the skin of the external auditory canal. Question number 3. What is hemoglobin? What are its normal value in human and write about its importance in human body. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein contained in the red blood cell that is responsible for delivery of oxygen to the tissue. It pures its secretion in the lymph or venous blood. It does not secretion in the limbs and or blood. Duct is absent. Exocrine. A duct is often present. The secretion is transported to the targeted tissue through blood. The secretion is pure directly over the target tissue. The secretion is enzymatic, lubricant or excretory. The secretion contains hormones. Endocrine glands के एग्जाम्पल स्वीट ग्लैंड्स, सेबकस ग्लैंड, और एक्सोक्राइन का पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड ग्लैंड एंड एड्रिनल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डिफाइन ऑटोफैगी एंड ऑटोलिसिस. Autophagy. Autophagy is a process in which cells break down and recycle old or damaged parts. It's also known as self-eating. Autolysis. The breakdown of cell and organs thought as aseptic chemical process caused by intracellular changes. Question number 6. Write any two functions of ribosomes. Number 1, protein synthesis. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis, which is a vital process for cellular functions. Second, translation mRNA. Ribosomes translate the genetic code in mRNA into amino acids. Question number 7. Differentiate between thick and thin filament. Thick filament and thin filament. Composed of the protein myosin. Composed of the protein like tropomyosin and troponin. Second, myosin molecules from a bipolar structure. The axon filament are arranged in a helix. The globular head from cross bridge with thin filament. The tropsin is a globular protein that binds calcium. The thin filament are symmetrical about their midpoint at the M line of the sarcomere. The thin filament reserve polarity at the Z line. Name the largest nerve of the human body. The cystic nerve is the largest nerve in the human body. It runs from the lower back down the back of the thighs and leg all the way to the heel of the foot. Question number 9. What do you mean by heart rate? Heart rate, also known as pulse, is the number of times your heart beats in a minute. It's a vital indicator of your heart health and fitness level. Question number 10. Write the primary neurotransmitter of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Primary neurotransmitter of sympathetic. Norepinephrine and epinephrine gets released by postganglion neurons of the sympathetic nervous system, which bind to and activates adrenergic receptors. Primary neurotransmitter of parasympathetic. The parasympathetic nervous system primarily release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine